Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on spelling correction with Python. I am super excited to dive into this topic with you all. So let's get started. Alright, so before we jump into the technical stuff, let's set the stage. Today we are going to explore why spelling correction matters and how Python can help us achieve greater accuracy in this area. Sounds interesting, right? Now let's talk about why spelling correction is so important. You're writing an important email or a document and a small typo spills through unnoticed. It might seem insignificant, but even a minor error can affect the credibility of your work. That's where effective spelling correction comes into the play. Next up, let's dive into some common techniques used for spelling correction. We'll be exploring concepts like edit distance, NGramModels, and probabilistic methods. Don't worry if these terms sound unfamiliar. We'll not be using all these terms, but we'll break them down and see how Python helps implement them effectively. Python comes to the rescue with its powerful libraries tailored for spelling correction. We have got NLTK, TextBlob, PyEnchant, and Hunspell for spelling correction. Don't worry, I am not going to use all these libraries. I am just using this TextBlob library. These libraries offer a treasure trove of functionalities to handle text processing and error detection, making our lives a whole lot easier. Finally, let's talk about how we can take our spelling correction game to the next level with Python. We'll explore strategies like custom dictionaries, machine learning models, and contextual analysis. With Python's versatility, the possibilities are endless. But don't worry, I'm not going to use any of the algorithms to build a machine learning model for this project. I'm just using this simple library, TextBlob library, for the simple uh, spelling correction with Python code. So that's a wrap for today's presentation. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Remember, whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started with Python, there's always something new to learn. Thanks for joining, and until next time, happy coding. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. Happy coding. Thank you.